Welcome to our updated guide on how to log in to Instagram on your Android device. Logging into your Instagram account allows you to stay connected with friends, share moments, and explore new content. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open the Instagram app on your Android device. The app icon is easily recognizable and will lead you to the login screen. On the login screen, you'll see fields where you can enter your username, email address, or phone number associated with your Instagram account. Choose any one of these options and input the relevant information. Next, navigate to the password field and enter your password. Make sure to input the correct password associated with your Instagram account to proceed. Once you've entered your password, it's time to tap the Login button. This will authenticate your credentials and grant you access to your Instagram account. Logging into Instagram is essential for connecting with your followers, engaging with content, and sharing your own posts. Stay active and updated by logging in regularly to your account. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to access your Instagram account effortlessly on your Android device. Thank you for watching, and enjoy exploring the world of Instagram.